desert, Red Desert
Seatbelt
Safari.
wala?
At maglalaro kami sa SAD ng 4-wheel drive. At napakagaling mag-Tagalog ng driver, ng kasama namin si brother.
Brand new, brother?
Ang galing niya mag-Tagalog ni brother. Ayan.
Bagong sasakyan mo?
Ah?
Brother,
Bagong sasakyan mo?
Bago.
New car.
New car.
kumusta brother? Kumusta?
Welcome.
Kumusta brother?
Mayaman ka,
Ayan.
brother.
My rich brother.
My good brother, good heart brother.
Yeah, good heart.
Yes.
My good heart brother.
Yeah.
Nice car. You have a nice car. Big car. Wow, napakaganda.
All seatbelt? Yeah, all at once. Our guest is good guest.
Napakaganda ng
Respect guest.
Thank you brother. Oo. Big one. Ito may bakal oh.
Kaya pala ito yung
Oo. Ito yung sasakyan nila, may mga bakal oh.
iba yung panghatid nila.
Ayan, ah.
Ulit tayo rito.
Yung sasakyan nila na pang safari, punong-puno ng bull bar. Punong-puno ng bar. Alright, ang init. Sasalamin ako. Grabe.
Tayo sa pass. Maganda.
Alright, ang ganda. Grabe. Very nice. At ito, magsisimula na yung adventure namin. At huwag kayong mag-alala, kukunin ko lahat ng kada akyat namin sa mountain. Okay, salamat. Alright. So, wow. Alright, grabe. Alright. Tignan mo naman gaano ka, ano. Lami kaayo. Yeah. Alright. Oh.
أول شيء خلينا كيف قررتي تجيني؟ يعني سمعتي عن الكونغرس وقررتي إنك تجيني. أول شيء بحب أشكركم على هذه الفرصة في الجزيرة وإذا أطلع لها إحنا أجينا من الأردن عشان نسافر كونغرس العالم للإعلام وبصراحة أجينا
Whoa, hold on. Ito na. Oh! Oh la la! Oh no! Oh la la! Alright! Grabe! Ang sarap! Woo! Alright!
Picture, huh?
wow.
Picture with the desert, picture with the falcon, picture with sandboarding, huh? That will come in 50 minutes. 15
Wow,
minutes.
okay. At bababa muna kami. Grabing experience.
Ah.
Nawala yung puso ko doon. Akala ko katapusan ko na. Ay, nako. Wow. Sige, bababa muna ako. Grabe.
With the sand, huh?
Grabing experience. Wow. Sobra grabe.
Grabe, pang nature sa
Oh.
Grabe.
No, I mean, mas grabe ba yung ganun-ganun kaysa yung ano? Alright.
Right, tayo sa taas.
At ikot tayo ba?
At tingnan nyo naman. Grabe. Grabe kapino yung sand. Sobrang pino. Grabe, pulbos na pulbos. Grabe. Wow. Look. Sobrang pino guys. Ayan o. Grabe.
Ah, Ted, susunduin pala.
Wow. Grabe. Ganda.
Eh, picture pa ito, Ben. Ang balik yun.
Hoy, huli ka!
Yan. Iniwan na tayo pa. Ayun nga, oh, yun nga sinasabi ko. Ito po nga. Talagang galing pa yan sa kabilang ibayo ng ano, ng sand. Ano, bukid. And tumbling. Because he knows how to do the snow.
May tumalo na, may tumalo na! Go! Bulong tayo dito. Very time! Very time!
Okay, si Josie naman ang turn niya. Alright, Josie. Wow, Josie, hold it! Yay! Wow, it's nice. Wow. Parang tubogan lang ah. Hurry up! Kala mo hindi pagod na. Okay, ayun, tapos na kami dito sa snowboard. Sandboard pala, hindi pala snow. Sandboarding. Ayan, takes picture at sumakay na naman kami ng 4-wheel drive. Ito na naman, adventure. Oh, lolo! Oh! Alright. Ayan. Wow. Wow. Wow.
Ready, huh, now?
go to this desert, to this safari. Safari desert, the red desert. Recommended. Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, come to Dubai. If you want some adventure. Whoa, 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 look at that.
Camel.
Camel, here. Oh, nice camel.
Black, brown, white.
Wow, camel. Ayan, no? Ayan, binaan nga kami dito sa maraming camel. Ayan, no? Camel. Sindihan natin. Cigarette. Camel. Wow. It's nice here in Dubai. Come to Dubai.
Yeah.
Highly recommended. Wow, uphill. Wow. Wow.
Patalsik niya, no?
Labot talaga sa ano. Kasi kanina dito lang sa side. Oo. Pati siya. Kami yung mga bata, sigawan. Di kasama ko yung mga ako ko nakupunong.
Here we go. That's nice. That's nice.
Come to Dubai.
Yeah, come to Dubai.
This driver is a 5-star.
Five-star rating driver.
Actually, 6 out of 5.
Yes, 5-star rating driver.
Thank you.
Driver!
Thank you.
What is your name, brother?
Shahed.
Shahed, 5-star rating driver. Shahed.
Safari, look for Shahed.
Yes, look for Shahed. He is a good driver.
You will enjoy. You will enjoy the experience 100% or
Yes.
200%.
Shahed, wow. Thank you so much, Shahed. Wow.
Subscribe.
And he's a very good
1
man.
million people will watch this.
Oh.
We got a 1 million subscribers, so 1 million people will see you.
Wow.
Come to Dubai.
Come to Dubai.
Come to Dubai.
Yeah, it's a good place for adventure, Dubai.
Yeah.
Look for Shahed.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Inshallah. Wow, that's a good. Thank you, brother.
Welcome, brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Big respect.
Enjoy!
Enjoy it. Yes, at nandito na nga kami. Pababa na kami. Wow, I love it. Come to Dubai. It's nice. I love it. Grabe. Grabe yun. It's a good experience. I just eat.
Come to Dubai!
Do you have drinks? Painumin ka?
Nandun sa ano? Nandun sa isang sasakyan.
Ayan. Hindi, ako meron. I have one. Okay, thank you, Shahid. Wow. At ayan ang sinakyan namin, guys. Land Cruiser GXR. Wow, Toyota Land Cruiser. At ayan, nasa likod ko yan na sinakyan namin. Wow. Ang ganda. Ang lakas at meron siya mga bars sa loob para protection kapag maglalaro ka sa sand. Wow, I love it. At ayun na nga, dito sa likod ko yan ang Safari Red Desert. Welcome to Dubai and come to Dubai. Recommended ko tong Safari na puntahan. Napakaganda, may experience mo all-terrain vehicle at 4-wheel drive na tawag dito, itong motorbike na to. Wow, napakagandang experience. At ikaw magdadrive mismo at dadalhin kayo sa open desert. Napakaganda. It's a good experience. Ayan, sana mga friends ko dyan, mga kabadminton ko, recommended ko sa inyo, come to Dubai.
Watching your